Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So it's really interesting to see what's happening with the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, and so on and so forth, right? So if we have a look at the QQQs as an example, we can see the QQQs has done what? The QQQs has actually broken above this, and look how long we are in this tooth. Like long in the tooth, so right? So what's happening through here? We're having a low, we're having a high low, and we're having a high low, right? Look at all this upward movement. So it's going to be really interesting to see what happens through here because we've been going up for quite some time and we just broke above new highs. Is this going to be some sort of false breakout before we have a decent pullback? Because man, we haven't had a decent pullback in a long time. So it's really interesting to see what's happening through there on the QQQ. We broke above new highs, but this is very, if you go to this weekly chart, right? Look at that there, just straight up. So we will get some sort of a pullback soon. We just don't know when, right? Because look at that, look how big that is. And most people who've been trying to short this market right now is getting their heads into them. But the thing is, as you can see, right, we're breaking above new highs. We will get some sort of pullback. So is it going to start to create that little bit of a pullback through here? And are we start to about to create a sort of maybe a little major higher low through here? So it'll be really interesting to see if we're about to do that, or are we about to go through a bit of a blow off top valve. Dow Jones is not at its high yet. The S&P 500 is right at its high there. So again, really interesting to see that happening. Also on the weekly chart, once again on the S&P, pretty much just straight up, right? Like there's really no big pullback. And so I'm expecting some sort of a pullback here soon, guys. I'm not saying it's going to be a trend changer, but for a few weeks pullback or a sideways movement or something like that soon. I'm not saying short the market, no way. Because it may just go sideways for a while and then continue up. But ultimately, I definitely see that at least for the next few months, ultimately the trend's going to be up. Yes, we're going to get our pullbacks, but I definitely see this ultimate trend being to the upside. If you're struggling with the trading right now, then I want you to click on the very first thing in the description because I'm going to give you a free trial to the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be giving you brand new trainings and helping you on all the areas become what I call the Master Trader. Plus, I'm going to give you 6 massive bonuses as well too. Bonus number 1 is the framework to a successful trader. This is a whole course. Bonus number 2, the chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course. Bonus number 3, the advanced chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 4 is the Millionaire Mindset Master course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 5 is the Master Trader Breakthrough bonuses, a whole bunch of bonuses. And also bonus number 6, you can get a free trial. Plus, I'm going to give you a massive discount. You can lock it in right now. So click on the very first thing in the description right now, and I'll see you on the next page.